Hi everyone, my name is just Jane. Welcome to Canada's Connections. In today's video, go straight into a Charlie Puth video. This one is called Charlie Puth Light Switch official music video. This is his most recent music video, so like it's been a while ever since I've done reactions to his videos, and I think he might have released other songs before this one that I've not heard before. So if you want to see me do more reactions to his videos, please say so in the comment section below so I can find his videos and do more reactions for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Light switch.
Yeah. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that, yeah. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I say don't look back, but I go back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this, you know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip, you know how to just make me want you, baby. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing. But I can't stay mad when you walk like that, no. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this, you know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip, you know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, and show me how you do. You want, you wanna keep me wanting you. I wanna you, girl. Come on, and show me how you do. You want, wanna keep me wanting. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this, you know how to just make me want to. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip, you know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, and show me how you do. You want, keep me wanting you, come on, and show me how you do.
Oh. Oh. Jesus. That was an amazing video. Like Charlie Puth is a very talented musician because I think he makes his own beats and he makes everything that he does in his songs, even the sounds that you wouldn't normally hear in songs. That he's the one coming up with those things. So he's a very talented person, and I also enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video too. If you did enjoy the video, please say so in the comment section below so you can find more of his videos and do more reactions for you guys. Until next time, peace.